Hello family, Sir here. In this video, I'm going to give you a tour of what I believe is one of the top nationwide builders that is located here in Charlotte. And the community where these houses are located is the Regency at the Palisades. It's right outside the Palisades, which is in the Still Creek area or South Charlotte. Now, I don't talk much about this builder because they're expensive. They're costly, but their product is amazing. Every client I've taken to one of their communities is blown away with the finishes, the craftsmanship, and just the quality. You just can feel the quality of the homes, but you're going to be paying for that quality. Stick around, come take a tour with me through one of their model homes. This is the Wyatt floor plan we're going to take a look at, and I'm going to be showing you a couple other of their floor plans in the coming days. To those of you who are new to the channel, I am Sir Ashley, your Charlotte area real estate advisor, where we talk about money, real estate, and all things Charlotte. Go ahead and hit that like button and also tap on the subscribe button if you're interested in any one of those things. All right, let's jump into it. Let's go look at the house. All right, today we are looking at the Wyatt floor plan by the Toll Brothers. We're in the community Regency at the Palisades. Now, it's not actually part of the Palisades, it's adjoining to it. This community has its own pool and amenity center. Now, the Wyatt floor plan has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. It's a 2-car garage, and it's on 1 story. Now, when you see the Regency by Toll Brothers, that should alert you that it's designed for the 55 and older community. Now, they're not going to say that it's only a 55 and older community because that's not the case. You have people of all ages that live in these communities, but it's heavily designed that way. They design the home plans and the amenity center around the needs and tailored to the needs of people 55 years old and older. Now, I absolutely love the Toll Brothers. Their finishes, the quality of work, the craftsmanship is absolutely amazing. Now, you're going to pay for all that. The base price for these communities, or for this floor plan, is $449,000. That is not including all these upgrades that you see here, or all these packages. You will be paying for every single upgrade when you come to the Toll Brothers. But again, it looks absolutely beautiful. They do a stunning job. And I didn't mention, but the lot fee. So that $449 base price doesn't include the lot fee. The lot fee is anywhere from $40,000, depending on the lot, up to $85,000 presently. And this is the Regency at the Palisades. So I have clients price out their homes, and you can easily get well into the 6s. But I would say in the Charlotte area, there might be one other national builder that compares with the quality and finishes that Toll Brother provides. Subscribe to the page because in the next coming days, I'll be releasing a video talking about upcoming communities. Please check that out because there's a community that's going to be designed just for the Toll Brothers that has townhouses, single family homes, and its own Regency section. Again, that section that's designed for people 55 years old and older. I will be talking more about that in that video. So go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button so you can be alerted for when I drop that video. If you're looking to buy in and around the Charlotte area, please reach out to my team and I. We would love to help you regardless of your price point. I take pride in the fact that we help people in the $100,000 range all the way up to $1.5, $1.6 million. We will cater to whatever your need or budget is, and we take pride in doing so to make sure that your interest is being looked out for and looked out after. Our number is on the screen. Please reach out to us. We are here to help. Or if you know somebody looking to buy or sell in the Charlotte area, please reach out to us. We are here to assist them.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes. passion.